Oslo City Tour. Oslo is the capital and most populous city of Norway. The tiger in front of Oslo Central Station is one of Oslo's most photographed sites. Oslo City has the nickname Tigerstaden, meaning the Tiger City. This was a gift to the city when Oslo celebrated its 1000-year anniversary in year 2000. Karl Johans Gate. Karl Johans Gate is the main street of Oslo City. In its current route, it connects Oslo Central Station, the main railroad station in Oslo, and the Royal Palace. Oslo City is one of the largest shopping centers in the central Oslo. In the city center, you find shops, fine hotels, and historical buildings. And there is an abundance of cafes and restaurants on and around the main street Karl Johans Gate. This is the Storting building, the seat of the Storting, the Parliament of Norway. Oslo City Hall. It is the city's administrative body and the seat of the city council. City Hall, built with red bricks facing Oslo Fjord, has two towers, 63 meters and 66 meters tall. The building's main hall was decorated with wall paintings depicting the history of Norway and Oslo. Various events take place in the building, including the Nobel Peace Prize ceremony, which takes place every December. Nobel Peace Centre. Located in the former Oslo West Railway Station building at the City Hall Square, the Nobel Peace Centre in Oslo showcases the Nobel Peace Prize and the ideals it represents. The centre presents the Nobel Peace Prize laureates and their work, in addition to telling the story of Alfred Nobel and the other Nobel Prizes. The Royal Palace of Oslo. The Royal Palace is located at the end of Karl Johans Gate in central Oslo. It is where the daily work of the monarchy is conducted, where the king and queen live. The Royal Palace is open to the public during the summer season. Changing of the guards happens every day at 1:30 p.m. in front of the Royal Palace. It is a free event to watch. Bygdøy. Bygdøy is a peninsula situated on the western side of Oslo, Norway, and a popular recreation area and is among the most fashionable residential areas in Norway. Bygdøy is home to 5 national museums. They are easily accessible by ferry, bus or car from the city centre. We went there by ferry. The Fram Museum is a museum inaugurated on 20th May 1936, telling the story of Norwegian polar exploration of Fridtjof Nansen, Otto Svarttroп, Roald Amundsen, and others. Kon-Tiki Museum. Thor Heyerdahl gained worldwide fame when he crossed the Pacific Ocean on the balsa wood raft Kon-Tiki in 1947. The Kon-Tiki Museum houses vessels and maps from the Kon-Tiki expedition. The Norwegian Maritime Museum, founded in 1940, exhibits on-course culture and maritime history including shipbuilding, boat models, fishing, marine archaeology and shipping. The Viking Ship Museum in Norway has the 3 best-preserved Viking ships in the world. In addition to the ship burials, the museum exhibits weapons, jewelry, and other objects from the Viking Age. Norwegian Museum of Cultural History. Established in 1894, Norwegian Museum of Cultural History at Bygdøy houses extensive collections of artifacts from all social groups and all regions of the country. It also has a large open-air museum with more than 150 buildings relocated from towns and rural districts. Holmenkollen. Holmenkollen is a mountain and a neighborhood on the northwestern side of Oslo. It goes up to 500 meters above sea level and is well known for its ski museum and ski jump. It has hosted the Holmenkollen Ski Festival since 1892. It has also hosted the 1952 Winter Olympics. Vigeland Sculpture Park in Frogner Park. Frogner Park is a public park located in the western borough of Frogner in Oslo. Vigeland Sculpture Park in Frogner Park has more than 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland from 1924 to 1943 and is the world's largest sculpture park made by a single artist. Frogner Park is the most popular tourist attraction in Norway with between 1 and 2 million visitors each year and is open to public at all times.